Let's learn about communication. In this lesson, we are going to learn about need for communication, various ways of communication, uses of communication, and finally, different ways to check misuse of communication, followed by quiz. Children, first we have to know what is communication. Communication means exchanging our ideas and thoughts with others. We all need to communicate and speak to each other so that we can share our feelings, ideas and information, right? This is face-to-face communication. These two persons are talking face-to-face. And this is phone communication. They are talking with each other through phone. We use various ways of communication that helps us to communicate with others. Let's learn some means of communication one by one. Computer. A computer helps us to connect and communicate with people all over the world through internet. We can send emails or messages and get instant reply. Phone. Using phone is the quickest way to communicate with people across the world. Modern mobiles allow users to receive and send the text messages, emails, photos and videos, as well as access to internet and much more. By using mobile phones, computers, laptops and tablets, we can make video calls and speak to our friends and family anywhere in the world and share pictures and videos with them. Letters. We can send letters to other people by post. Television. We use television for entertainment, news, education, culture, weather, sports, even music. Newspaper. Newspaper tells us what is happening around the world. Radio. Radio is used to listen news, songs and programs. Magazines. Magazines are just like newspapers published at regular intervals. We used to read magazines for articles, stories, useful information, new findings and many more. Look at the pictures. Letter, radio, television, magazines, newspaper, books. In this form of communication, we cannot talk to the person or group of people directly in order to share our ideas and news at the same time. Ways to check misuse of communication. We must not spend all our free time on computer, laptop and mobile phone playing games. When we only stay indoors and play on the computer, we'll no longer remain fit and healthy. Talking with unknown people on the internet is not at all right thing. We must use, not to misuse. Let's take a quiz. Choose the correct answer. Another word for speaking to each other is dash. Communication. Dash can spread messages to many people at the same time. Radio. We can get information on any topic on the dash. Internet. See the pictures of different means of communication and tell their names. This is letter. This is radio. This is telephone. This is WhatsApp. This is Facebook. This is television. This is email. This is newspaper.